sound, as in the words get, when, and then. It's a vowel sound and its technical name is the closed mid-front unrounded vowel. Remember that the key to pronunciation is physical, and the name tells us about how the sound is made physically. In this case, the tongue is high, but not at the top of the mouth, and at the front. Unrounded refers to your lips because they're stretched out as if you're smiling and not rounded. All vowels are made through the mouth and are voiced, so you vibrate your vocal cords to make the sound. To produce the sound, put your tongue high, but not at the top of your mouth and at the front. Stretch out your lips and make a short voiced sound with your mouth slightly open. Eh, eh, eh. The eh sound is normally spelled with the letter E, as in the words well and tell. But it can also be spelled with the letter A, as in the word many or again. Like with all vowels in English, the spelling can be very inconsistent, and you'll always find alternative and unusual spellings of the vowel sounds. It's one of the most difficult things in the English language, but we just have to learn it. Here are some words that start with the eh sound. Every, any, ever, and end. Here are some words that have the eh sound in the middle. Let, never, very, and help. Words don't often end with the eh sound. So that's it for the eh sound, but we've made additional videos on each of the groups of sounds: vowels, diphthongs, single consonants and consonant pairs, as well as a video explaining the phonetic chart. You can also click on any of the symbols behind me to see a similar video to this one with lots of examples and an explanation of how to pronounce that sound.